We are introducing our brand new product LDNIO Smart Power Strip. This power strip is powered by Wi-Fi. It comes with 2500 watts power. You can see all the instructions behind the box. This power strip can connect 3 AC jacks and 4 USB at a time. It consists of a smart chip with intelligence linkage. This is the power strip. You can hang this anywhere in your home. It consists of 3 power plugs, 3 USB plugs and 1 Type-C plug. You can power on or off. The wire is 2 meter in length, and UK type plug. The catalog provides you more details about the product in depth. You can scan this QR code and install the smart Wi-Fi application. Install this app on your mobile phone. Sign up to create an account. Enter your country, username and password to log in. You can add a device here. Connect to the Wi-Fi and follow as per the video. Power on the strip and hold for 8 seconds. It will blink in red and white light slowly. This will scan for devices. Make sure your device is near to the router. The device is successfully connected. You can control the entire power strip from your mobile through Wi-Fi. You can now manage everything from your mobile phone. This can make your life much easier and less stressful. We can reschedule all the plugs and USB ports according to our need. For more details, visit our website otc.lk.